Hello, my name is James Kennedy, and I will be talking about the importance of password hashing and exactly how it works, why we do it, and a little bit about how the password_hash function works in PHP. So in the reading in password hashing, we are told to do this right here. This was for some error checking I did. This is good. This right here, password default, in this option of the password hash function, by default uses bcrypt. Now, exactly what is bcrypt? It is a function of hashing which uses the blowfish algorithm to hash your password. This is still considered secure, so you are safe in using the password_default option in this case, as we are told to. Blowfish, however, or bcrypt, did not win the national hashing competition. Yes, there is such a thing, apparently. What won most recently was Argon 2 ID, I believe. In the coming months. And when I say blowfish, I'm referring to the algorithm by which the hashing methodology is completed. The reason that Argon 2 takes a little bit longer is because it is a more complicated algorithm which spits out a longer hashed password, a hash. It's longer. It is 128-bit, I believe, at minimum, whereas MD5 is like 16-bit, and bcrypt is bcrypt results in a 60-character password. And these things may sound like Greek to you at this particular moment, but by the end of my time here, I hope to make it just a little bit more understandable by showing you exactly what I mean. So let's break our encryption for a second. Let's, instead of sending a hash at all to the database, let's just send client password. This you should never, ever, 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 ever do. Because if for any reason your database was compromised, your users' passwords would be exposed in plain text, which is what was mentioned in the reading as being extremely embarrassing. And it is. Nobody wants that. So let's register our user after refreshing the page. Let's register ASDF, last name ASDF, ASDF at ASDF.com for the email. And for password, in all of my examples, I'll be using the exact same password to demonstrate to you the different hashing methods which exist out there, both secure and insecure. So for purposes of our example, I'll be we're going to show you what it looks like when you put in a plain text, when you put in a badly hashed password, and when you put in the correctly hashed password, and exactly why that is so important. So we're going to sign up here. We have a successful registration. And so we're going to go over here to our database, look at clients, and here we have, client level. Just wanted to see all of the passwords. There we go. Yeah. So we have ASDF and all that information. Client ID is 5 because I haven't leveled the database and I've been doing some testing, so that's normal. And this is the plain text password. So if a hacker were to gain access to your database,